Flamengo ela chamou pra jogar.
Welcome to our national highlight. In this edition, we bring up an approach on the art of capoeira in Angola and its incidents. Accuracy, rapidity, and rhythmic strikes at the pace of African drums and inspiring sound of the berimbau. This is the foundation of capoeira, an ancient art that was born in Africa and shown to the world for various decades. According to the history, capoeira is the combination of African dances of war taken to other countries such as Brazil due to the historical and cultural ties with Angola during the period of the slave trade. Africa has records of various models of capoeira, which vary according to the area. But this dance of war, that was crossed the Atlantic and brought together black, white, and colored people, being one of the biggest cultural and sporting expressions of the world. Capoeira is an Afro-Brazilian cultural expression. It is a single scenario that combines elements of martial arts, sports, popular culture, and music. It is characterized by strikes and active moves. In the complex strikes, it uses primarily kicks and sweeps, besides head batting, kneeing, elbowing, and dozens of stunts on the ground or air. One feature that distinguishes the capoeira from many other arts is its musicality. The capoeira practitioners learn to fight, play, and sing, as well as playing typical instruments. They act as artists. They sing, dance, improvise, and recreate, but always within a primary standard, the pace and music. The surge of capoeira has already hit hundreds of young Angolans. Despite the spectacles, few of them know by heart the origin of this movement. Studies indicate that in Angola, capoeira originates from the village of Mucopes, located in the southern region of Angola, mainly in Huila province. Capoeira combines cultures, dances of war, and African rituals as adapted to the struggle for liberation from slavery system. Over the time, capoeira was no longer being practiced by Africans. Brazil has the body in America, but its soul is in Angola, translated into several civilizational expressions, and one of them is capoeira, a dance of war that was part of the preparation for the fighters who protected the different territories. From the false dance of the time of sugarcane fields to the current time, the first swing of capoeira evolved to a combat strategy. Capoeira has several styles, each one marked by their own visions, specific habits, and interactions with the local culture of each region. The capoeira of Angola differs from the Bahia regional struggle of Masta Bimba. It has more emphasis on the features like the game, joke, and the search for ancestry, and generally comprising slower moves, sweeps, and playful movements. In Angola, as in the entire world, there are already indoor and outdoor tournaments, national championships, and world competitions aimed to spread and show the emotion of capoeira. In this sport, the non-competitive part prohibits physical contact like boxing, judo, or karate. The athletes just move their feet and hands around the opponent, reason why it is also considered to be an art. The musical instruments of capoeira are played on a line called battery. The key one is the berimbau, made of wooden bow with a steel string that acts as a resonator. The berimbau sounds vary from its timing. It may be from the gunga berimbau, bass, medium berimbau, medium, and viola berimbau, treble. The other instruments are tambourine, conga, cachiche, and less often use one such as the ganza and agogo. According to official registration, nearly 2,000 athletes practice capoeira nationwide, in an average of 16 groups in the country's 18 provinces. The sound of berimbau can constantly be heard in the streets, academies, and schools. However, there is still a lot to be learned about the complex and apparent combined strikes of capoeira. The strikes are violent, but they never kill any opponents when used within the established rules. It has been a pleasure to be with you. Thank you.
Eu já tive em Moçambique, eu já tive em Guiné, mas estou voltando de Angola com o jogo de malé. Capoeira é descer na tarde, é gingar no corpo, a balançar. Capoeira é descer na tarde, é gingar no corpo, a balançar. Se você quiser aprender, vai ter que praticar. Vai na roda de